In artificial intelligence, non-deterministic actions refer to actions whose outcomes are not completely predictable. They introduce uncertainty into the system, which can be modeled using techniques like probabilistic graphical models, Markov decision processes, or reinforcement learning. These methods allow AI agents to make decisions in uncertain environments by considering the probabilities of different outcomes. The use of non-deterministic actions in artificial intelligence offers several advantages. 1. Flexibility. Non-deterministic actions allow AI systems to adapt to changing environments and unexpected situations more effectively. This flexibility enables them to handle a wider range of scenarios without requiring explicit programming for every possible situation. 2. Better decision-making. By considering probabilistic outcomes, AI agents can make more informed decisions. They can weigh the likelihood of different outcomes and choose actions that maximize expected utility or reward, leading to more efficient and effective decision-making. 3. Robustness. Non-deterministic actions help AI systems to be more robust in the face of uncertainty. They can handle noisy or incomplete information, as well as unexpected events, without drastically affecting performance. 4. Learning and improvement. Non-deterministic environments provide opportunities for learning and improvement. AI agents can learn from experience by observing the outcomes of their actions and adjusting their strategies accordingly. This adaptive behavior enables continuous improvement over time. 5. Realism. Many real-world problems involve uncertainty, randomness, or variability. By incorporating non-deterministic actions, AI models can better reflect the complexities of the real world, making them more applicable to practical scenarios. Some disadvantages. 1. Complexity. Dealing with uncertainty adds complexity to AI systems. Modeling probabilistic outcomes, reasoning under uncertainty, and making decisions based on uncertain information can be computationally intensive and require sophisticated algorithms. 2. Difficulty in interpretation. Non-deterministic actions can make it harder to interpret and understand the behavior of AI systems. Uncertainty adds another layer of complexity to the decision-making process, making it challenging for users to trust and interpret the actions taken by the AI. 3. Risk of suboptimal decisions. In non-deterministic environments, there is always a risk of making suboptimal decisions due to uncertainty. AI agents may not always choose the best action, especially if the probabilities of different outcomes are poorly estimated or if the environment is highly unpredictable. 4. Training complexity. Training AI models to effectively handle non-deterministic actions can be more challenging than training deterministic models. It may require larger datasets, more complex learning algorithms, and careful tuning of parameters to accurately capture the uncertainty in the environment. 5. Computational cost. Handling uncertainty often requires more computational resources. Performing probabilistic inference, planning under uncertainty, and learning from probabilistic feedback can be resource-intensive processes, which may limit the scalability of AI systems in real-world applications.